Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Developer app not downloading in iPhone or iPad. If you're using an iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your Apple Developer app is not downloading, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection, or you can also try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. Then go to settings app here, go to general, go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just have to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, go to software update section, and you just have to make sure that your software is up to date. There's no any pending updates for your software. If you find this, try to update your software. After updating software, just go back and go to iPhone storage, and here you have to make sure that you have almost 5 to 10 GB free with your iPhone storage to download, install, and run any app as smooth. Then go back from here. You have to open your App Store, and here go for search and search for Apple Developer. And you can retry to install the app to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can go to your settings app, go to apps section, look for Safari app here. Scroll down and look for close history or clear history on website data. Select this, select clear history. It will clear history and all the website data. Sometimes your website data must include junk files. So it will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. So after clear history, you can retry or you can also try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have been fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can use Apple Developer Web. Open your browser here, go for search, and simply search for Apple Dev, or you can search for Apple Developer here, and you might get the website. Just open the first website to use Apple Developer for your website. So in this way, you can easily get Apple Developer in your app on your iPhone or in your iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.